What is HPHV sterilization process? Steam is introduced into jacket of autoclave. This helps in preheating the chamber and utilizing heat energy. Initially vacuum is created and then steam is introduced in the chamber and reaches up to the set value. The process of creating vacuum and introducing steam is known as static and dynamic pulses. Pulses are created 3 to 4 times to remove the air pockets. Almost 95% removal of air should be done from chamber. The steam and vacuum pulses removes air pockets and identify cold spots but also ensures uniform temperature distribution and penetration inside the chamber. The vacuum is created with the help of water ring type vacuum pump. After completion of pulses, the chamber temperature reaches to the set sterilization temperature. The control system then controls temperature till the end of sterilization time. After the completion of sterilization time, vacuum up to a predetermined level is created inside the chamber for drying.